YouTube, what's going on? 2010 GMC Sierra. We're gonna replace the latch that goes to open it. As you can see, mine already broke. It's made out of plastic. Ordered a new one. Gonna do this today. So start off with the 4 bolts that it's got here. Another one there, and then another one there. They are a T20. Let's go ahead and get those off. You get the screws out. It's only 4 of them in the corners. I'm gonna pull this apart right there, as you can see, but it doesn't come off that easy. It's got clips. So what I used is like a little screwdriver. I put the screwdriver in and kind of slowly went around, popped them all out. So as you can see, I only did one side, and it looks like this side is still there. Along the edges, what I did was I just pried out like that, and then until they all pop, then you can pull it out. Once all the clips are moved, this will come out, and you'll have access to these 2 Phillips screws. You take those out and then place the new piece in there, and that's about it. Then you just reverse it. Go ahead and pop all these back in place. As you can see, these are the little tabs where they go into this little hole here, and those are the tabs you have to kind of pop out. Try and be careful not to just yank it out, because it is this piece right here is kind of flimsy. So yeah, let me go ahead and put the new piece on so you can see what it looks like. A broken piece right here. As you can see, it broke from right there. And this is the new piece. Got it on eBay for about, I want to say like $5. But what I recommend is, I just thought of this, but what I recommend is not buying another plastic one, because these tend to break when you let the little glove compartment, the lid drop. That's how mine broke. Anyways, they sell some aluminum ones, I think, or they're made out of like metal. Would highly recommend investing in those. But as you can see, this has little cross tabs there, and they line up with these holes to help you line up for the screws. Then you just put the screws back in, and then I'll get that in and show you guys what it looks like afterwards. Just try not to tighten these too tight, because it is plastic on plastic. You don't want to, screw it in, break this piece, because this piece already looks flimsy. So let's go ahead and test it out. As you can see, it locks in, and then voila. And that's it. That's the new latch on the glove compartment for the center console for a 2010 GMC Sierra. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.